Have you ever wondered who's behind the new wave of digital banking, the kind that lives entirely on your phone? The app with the vibrant, eye-catching logo, the one promising a better way to handle your money. Maybe you've seen the ads, or a friend has told you about it. I'm talking about Vivid. But who actually owns Vivid Bank? It's a question that gets a little more complex the deeper you dig. Before we get to the answer, let's set the stage. The world of finance has been completely transformed. Gone are the days when you had to physically visit a brick-and-mortar bank for every single transaction. Now, a new breed of financial platforms, often called neobanks or challenger banks, are taking over. They operate exclusively online, offer sleek apps, and promise features that traditional banks just can't match. Vivid, founded in Berlin, Germany, in 2019, is one of the most prominent players in this space. They've built a reputation for combining everyday banking with investment tools, all in one seamless app. They offer everything from multi-currency accounts and cashback rewards to investing in stocks and crypto. It's a compelling all-in-one package. So, who is the owner? This isn't a simple case of a single person or a big, publicly traded corporation you can look up on the stock market. Like many successful tech startups, Vivid's ownership is a blend of its visionary founders and a powerful group of investors who have fueled its growth. The co-founders of Vivid are Alexander Emishev and Artem Iamanov. Both are seasoned veterans of the financial industry, having previously held senior positions at Tinkoff Bank, a major digital bank in Russia. Their experience and understanding of the digital banking landscape gave them a unique advantage when launching Vivid. They saw a need for a more comprehensive and user-friendly financial platform in Europe, and they set out to build it. They are the driving force, the masterminds behind the product, and the public faces of the company. However, the rapid growth of a company like Vivid requires a lot of capital. That's where the investors come in. Since its founding, Vivid has raised hundreds of millions of euros in funding from some of the biggest names in the venture capital world. These institutional investors include firms like Greenoaks Capital, Ribbit Capital, and SoftBank Vision Fund 2. They're not just providing money, they're providing the resources and strategic guidance needed to scale the business, expand into new markets, and compete with established financial giants. So, to give a complete picture, the ownership of Vivid is a combination of its founders, Alexander Emishev and Artem Iamanov, and a number of major institutional investors. These investors hold significant stakes in the company, which is a common model for startups that are still in their private funding stages. It's this partnership between the founders' vision and the investors' capital that has allowed Vivid to grow so quickly and become a major force in the European fintech scene. It's important to understand this distinction. While the founders are the creative and strategic leaders, the investors are key partners who own a substantial part of the company. It's a symbiotic relationship that has defined the success of many of today's most recognizable tech companies. As Vivid continues to evolve and potentially goes public one day, its ownership structure will likely change again, but for now, it's a story of ambitious founders backed by a formidable group of venture capital firms. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.